Okay, talking about function, a function is just like a machine that taking an input and drop an output. Example, you have f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 all over 1 plus x. Okay, if you take f of 1 being the input, you are going to have put as your output 2 times 1 over 1 plus 1. That will be 2 divided by 2. And you have a 1. Hence, at this point, the input is equal to the output. What if you have this? I'm going to have what? This times this, that will be 4 all over 3. You see? And if you have f of maybe n, that will be what? 2n all over 1 plus n. That is how a function looks like. We have a machine that taking an input and drop what? An output. You can have a function as f of x, g of x, h of x, or anything. These are still function. You have no limit. Okay. Hence, in global, and a function being what? Is like a relation between the domain and the codomain. Okay, the question is now, how can we find the domain and the codomain of the function? Or we call this the range. The domain of this function is what? To find the domain, we equate this part, the denominator equals to 0. That is the number, the range of number that if you substitute here, this function will exist. If you substitute minus 1 here, this function will not exist because negative 2 all over 0 is undefined. Hence, the domain of this function, you can see d of f will be what? Will be any number that belongs to a set of, will be x. The domain of this function will be what? X that belongs to a set of real numbers. Okay, excluding what? We exclude negative 1. And any number that is in this range, x, belonging to a set of real number, excluding negative 1, will be in the domain of this function. Okay, we will give an answer at the end as the domain of the function. Hence, to find the range or the codomain, you have to equate this. Okay, y is equals to 2x all over 1 plus x. Hence, I want to find for x in terms of y. So as to find the range, then substitute. Okay, the method is that you're going to substitute in terms of x. So as to have x is equal to maybe y plus 1 over 2y, something like that. Then you are like finding the inverse of the function so as to have it. Therefore, f inverse of x that is equals to y. F inverse of x is equals to what? You put now in terms of x over. So that will be something like this actually. Okay, let's do it. Now see, you have this, you have y is equals to 2x over 1 plus x. Okay, you have to find x in terms of y. Therefore, we say this on this side you have 1y into 1 plus x is equals to 2x. Therefore, you have y plus yx is equals to 2x. You can send this on this side and this on this side to have what? Let's do it here. To have y x minus 2x equals to minus y. Therefore, you can multiply by negative 1 or let's just leave like this to have what? X into y minus 2 is equals to minus y. Therefore, x is equals to minus y over y minus 2. Therefore, f inverse of x is equals to what? Negative x all over x minus 2. Hence, the new function that is f inverse of x is equals to what? Minus x all over x minus 2. Or in simple form, you can just divide Also by this to have what x over 2 minus x as a function. Hence, the range at this point will be what? The domain of f will be x, will be what? X belonging to a set of real numbers, excluding what? -1. And on the range of the function will be what? X belonging to a set of real numbers, excluding what? We are going to exclude here what? 2. Because if x is 2, this function will not exist. Hence, that is what we call the domain, and the range or the codomain. That is all we have. And we then come to the end of this introductive video on function. See you in the next video, we'll talk more about function. Subscribe to the channel.